From its humble beginnings as a small pipe bending business to becoming one of the leading stainless steel fabricators in Western Visayas, MAGS Pipe Bending and Steelworks stands as a testament to the power of progress driven by science, technology, and innovation.
I am Marlon G. Gascon of Mom's Pipe Bending and Steelworks. I started business since 1992 with 2 employees. Since then, we have grown to 70 employees and we have expanded our services of fabrication of stainless steel products to various markets, such as hotels and restaurants, food processors and fast food chains, hospitals, as well as automotive and construction industries.
Expansion and improvement of the cooperator's production facility were implemented through the DOST Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program Innovation Enabling Fund that included the establishment of their electro-polishing facility in 2008, improvement of metal cutting and bending facility in 2012, automation of metal bending process in 2017, and in 2021, the adoption of fiber laser cutting technology, a hot cutting method that uses high power density laser beam as a main heat source. Laser-based technologies are a key component of Industry's 4.0 systems and occupy an increasingly central role in the ongoing evolution of connected and high-speed manufacturing processes. With this technology, MAGS Pipe Bending and Steelworks can now precisely cut metal plates with complex designs. This innovation distinguishes the company as the only fabricator in the province capable of providing such advanced service. Additionally, it resulted to a remarkable reduction in the processing time for custom metal signages by 75%, from 4 hours to 1 hour, and 50% for railings, from 40 minutes to 20 minutes. Product quality was also improved in terms of production of accurate designs according to client specifications, as well as cater to the firm's unserved and potential markets that require intricate and complex layouts. This has led to an increase in production volume for custom letters and signage projects by 167%, an increase in gross sales by 47%.
Aside from set up iFund, DOST has also extended their consultancy services to us. We availed the Manufacturing Productivity Extension Program, Cleaner Production Technology Program, Energy Audit, Machinery and Equipment Management Consultancy. And with this, we are very grateful to DOST Region 6 for sharing their knowledge and expertise in improving our operations. In return, we have partnered with SUCs like Guimaras State University, ISAT University, and Visayas State University.
As a dynamic enterprise committed to innovation and resilience in a fast-paced economy, MAGS Pipe Bending and Steelworks has not only embraced emerging technologies, but also forged collaboration with industry experts, making them the Western Visayas Industry 4.0 champion of innovation.